Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to write weekdays automatically in Google Spreadsheet. So in order for you to do that, just simply go to the Google Spreadsheet, and after that, just simply create a blank spreadsheet over here on the top left. And now, in order for you to create an automatic weekdays, just simply provide Monday over here, Monday, and enter. And after that, just simply click on the Monday, and from here you will have this blue icon over here. And after that, just simply click on it and drag it down up to 7. And from here you will have an automatic weekdays over here, or you can do this as well on the right side. I'm gonna go for 7 days, and as you can see, we should be able to have this option over here. And pretty much it will be the same thing on the others as well, and pretty much it will be repetitive like this one. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.